Jackie Ninja, what friend Mirror. Only the Portugal securities. Why crash pa the way I was at Brenty and it was a shefum na worry me and a quanish shefuman. It is very, 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 very heartbreaking. I say a quick one from Portugal. So if you don't know George Britain, this is George Britain. George Britain, the manager of Afrobeat singer Camilo, currently Portugal. Yes, Black Sheriff na Jackie in our DJ Milsey. In our Portugal, Afronation. Yes, Afronation. Now, something happened not long ago. And it's quite disturbing. Or style be kakra. The Jackie Ninja, what friend Mirror. Only the Portugal securities. Why crash pa the way I was at Brenty and it was a shefum na worry me and a quanish shefuman. It is very, 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 very heartbreaking. Now there is a little bit right up here. Then after that, I'm going to show you the video, full-length video. Almost up close to 10-minute video of what really happened at the event. And as a manager, Mirror rushed to the hospital after a confrontation with the local authorities at Afronation, Portugal, happening right now. An eyewitness says this was because of a misunderstanding that was that's ensured between him and the local authorities concerning access to the venue. At the entrance, Jackie was allowed in, but he was not. So Camilo's manager George Britain was at the scene and he posted these disturbing videos. So the whole thing is that he being the manager, he was entering with Jackie, and the manager is supposed to protect Jackie. I mean, make sure that her performance and everything goes in right. So I don't know what really happened. They are there or accreditation and Yamo said I was a man and one man the right accreditation was Sabazo. So they did not allow him to enter. And a woman Jackie room. Inti with Gidino Ben or security and other local authorities saying what does such an abrofunim and you see it in the video. In the woman no kwana was the chef for ma. And no kwana just leave him. What's anything waste so you understand? And before you know, so God being so good, that one of our very own, George Britain, Camilo the manager, he was right there at the scene, and he has to intervene, step in for his brother. And son, worry beja why if you watch cry, my brother no they feed the breed self. And so this is what is happening at Portugal currently. Where Giant, although I mean he's been rescued and he's been sent to the hospital. But I'm going to show you videos of what really happened, and after that, we'll tell you what happened next. So like you can see on your screen, George Britain or Oracle, he's going to die. That's the local guards authorities, the security for. In Portugal, the woman handled Jackie manager like that. And this is sad. And so, but who are picture? I don't know, a Jackie Ninja and our other one, and it's quite disturbing for the Portugal securities at Afronation. What about true now? So I'm not wasting so when I didn't know what they wanted to achieve. Let's listen to some audio bite from them.
This shit is crazy. That is Mirror, Jackie's manager. He was stranded. I think he had an argument. He had an encounter with the security people. They stranded him and they can't breathe now. He's fucking losing it, bro. This shit is mad. The police are here. The police are here. The ambulance is here. Okay, alright, sure.
Okay, so that's George Britton there.
The police are here. The ambulance is here.
The video is quite lengthy, so I'm going to skip it through so that you see what really happened.
Doesn't look good, but he's being sent to the hospital with the ambulance.
Picture like you were just looking for love from all the dicks that you suck. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. We had a foolish.
Listen. Yo, if I go with him. Listen, no, it's go with him. Who's that now? Listen, he punched this guy. He punched the boss.
And so let's listen to the narration. What really happened between Jackie's manager and the security authorities at Afronation.
They were angry. They punched the security guy. No, they say, I'm sorry. Listen. Okay. So there was an argument. Wait. There was an argument. He punched him. He punched Martha. They were having arguments. Listen, I'm going to the ambulance. No. Brother, no. Police, listen. I go to the ambulance, I come back. Okay, no, you wait. When I go to the ambulance now, you go to the ambulance. No, I don't know. Don't worry, I don't know. No, wait, driver, wait.
And so, Mosi were Portugal in George Britton or the brain, and I think we would have to applaud him for his maturity and professionalism and patriotism. Going somewhere with a brother and you see him in trouble and you step out there to, be on his side. Who knows? So you were in Kabai now, and I'm sure that why obituary, like Wemiana Kwana Wekun, and I also want to entreat this promoters today. What my artists accreditation they should ensure that what team in everybody is covered, so that Daminyama Padamfana Dam Kwase seminar on CCC events. I say George in you are. Nkaboshe way kun we was no asthmatic and other BB abrophobia foolish case. And so this is what is really going on in Portugal. So big ups to George Britton for looking out for your brother or her. Respect to you. You guys should be safe or Portugal or Camilo and everybody, Black Sheriff phenomena or do your show and come back home. Now let's live a life. You understand? Yet I say, bye bye. Me doing you pack to the rich.